Welcome back. We have a deal for you, courtesy of Lisa Innenbach, and 25 again. Lisa, if you would, please.
Absolutely. Normally, it is $150 for your consultation, but it's half off that fee. It's just $75. That does include a lab draw. Please bring your insurance card. We are not a lab company. We will bill that through your insurance if you want us to. And then a week later, you'll come and you'll sit down for an hour, like I said, an hour, to go over all of those labs. Go to 25again.com/wave3 to purchase, or you can call us at 425-0500. They are answering lots of calls when we do the show, so be patient. They will call you back, and they will extend the offer.
And you have a bonus for us.
We do have a bonus.
This is nice. Enough for the new year, right?
Absolutely. Any of the LAC clubs in town, you're going to get a free 1-year membership if you join with us. Now, we're not going to force you to go work out. We're going to encourage you. And a lot of people out there are like, oh, my gosh, I have to work out. No, you don't have to work out. You get to work out. Let's put it that way. But this is an extra bonus. You're going to get that for free, and it's at any of the locations. They are listed on the screen. I advise you to take advantage of this. It's a great way to get the new year started and keep the new year going.
All right. Todd Sharp is our guest. He is the star of So Sharp. You've seen it on Lifetime. All right, Todd, I'm curious. The people that you work with, not only on the show, but, of course, the women that you mentor and coach, have they noticed a big difference in you? Now, you've been a member for 4 years, but nonetheless, are you still on the improve? Do you consider everything's going in the right direction, continues to do so?
You know, I'm a constant work in progress, and all of us are.
Sure.
And, you know, I always say it's, you know, there's no destination. It's a journey. So, you know, your health and fitness has to be a priority. You know, it's amazing to me, and I've said this a lot lately, I feel like a lot of people in my age range, you know, no disrespect intended, kind of give up. Like, well, I'm older now, and this is the path that I take, and, you know, I'm going to go kicking and screaming, you know.
There you go.
You know, just the difference in energy, just that's the main thing I would like to say to people. You know, I think they have no idea how they could feel, like really how simple this piece of the puzzle is. And then the trickle-down effect. You know, I look forward to going to the gym every day. I mean, it's as good for you mentally as it is physically. So the pieces of your life start, you know, falling into place. I mean, when you have imbalance in your life, there's no hiding that. It will manifest itself everywhere.
Yeah, the positive snowball effect, and we've talked about that often. I've had a couple of calls, Todd. They're curious, and I think I know the answer because you said after season 1, someone called in and said, please tell us there is a season 2 for So Sharp. So we're going to let you go ahead.
Well, the way television works is nothing's definite until it's definite. So,
but you look like that's a positive look.
Well, I mean, there's, you know, there's talks happening, so with some possible big changes. So I'm not really at liberty to say too much. But
sure, I understand. Yeah. But what a coup for you, Lisa. And I say coup, I think it's a natural marriage here because, as Todd said, he was looking for help. He said it was starting to manifest itself. He saw it in other parts of his life. Everything's affected.
Right.
But yet you've got a reality star over here.
Absolutely.
That is proudly, like you said, screaming your name. You know, go 25 again. It's fantastic. Todd, do you get folks ask you all the time about, you know, you've had energy levels forever, but you're saying now you actually, it's not fake. You feel it. Correct?
I mean, my whole outlook's different. You know, people that have known me many years say, you know, where's that negative Todd is gone? And I think that's the big difference, you know. I mean, you have to coach with an iron hand. Sure. You know, it's my way or the highway.
That's how you win championships. Yeah.
Absolutely. And Cheryl Knight, that coaches with me, the same way. We're the deadly duo, but, you know, I've never felt better. You know, and I think I'm at my best version of me at, I hate to say it, but I'll go ahead and say it, 48. But I can hang on until Valentine's Day. Then it's 49. But, you know, one of the things that led me to go to 25 again, I hope you don't care that I say this because it's true, is, you know, I met Ted and Lisa through university athletic events, at different events we were at. And I was drawn to how dynamic this couple was.
Oh, they are. There's no
energy, positivity.
Yeah, both of them.
And when you see people that are just smoking hot, beautiful, you know, there's a stereotype that goes with that. And they are just giving, you know, caring people. Like, they care about what they do. And, you know, Lisa told me, you know, as soon as I went in, how much better I was going to feel and the impact it would have. And it's been absolutely the case. You know, and she mentioned she wants to be the best version of her for her family, you know, and with social media, we all follow each other's lives, and I mean, you know, you guys look like you could be 4 siblings instead of, you know, but when you have that energy to do things with your kids, and now for me, grandkids, you know, it's life-changing.
Yeah, they're like Barbie and Ken, and Barbie has a medical degree, you know, so it's nice. 571-5263 if you have a question, though. But, you know, okay, so this is good for you, it's good for him. This is rewarding, but this is what you do. You change people's lives.
Absolutely.
For those who are apprehensive, some of the symptoms, you said you weren't sleeping well, felt tired all the time. And with as demanding as your job is, I mean, you're winning championships, so it isn't like you're taking days off here. Did you find some days where you go, I don't know how much longer I can do this? Has this given you new vitality in regard to your occupation and saying, I can go for a while, I can go 10 more years? You tell me.
You know, I hit my rock bottom when I would be standing. Coaches don't sit, and at least I don't think they should. And I would be standing at a practice and fall asleep. You know, because I was so tired from not sleeping through the night, and you know, I really thought that I was wrapping things up a few years ago, truthfully. And, you know, I have a passion for what I do, and I can't imagine being done yet.
Well, congratulations to you on all your success. Lisa, for 25 again, you and your husband Ted, congratulations to you as well. All right, we'll be back. Get that pen ready because we'll throw up the specials again. When we come back with Wave 3 Listens Live, we'll be back with more with Todd and Lisa.